Good morning students. Today we'll discuss 3 variable KMAP problems. Problems on 3 variable KMAP. See, this is a format of your 3 variables KMAP when we have a 3 variables f of x, y, z. We'll solve the problems here. The first problem, simplify or reduce the given Boolean expression using KMAP. What is the expression? F of x, y, z equal to sigma 0, 4, 6, 7. So this is a one expression they have given here. We need to simplify using Boolean. The given Boolean expression we need to simplify using KMAP without any Boolean theorems, without any De Morgan's theorem. Draw the table. This is compulsory for your reference. This is enough if you write perfectly. X complement x, y z complement y complement z, y z complement. These are the fixed. You need to practice it. Or you can remember, this is your M0, M1, M3, M2, M4, M5, M7, M6. In SOP. How we can identify the given problem is SOP? Yes, sigma is there. If sigma is there, the given problem is in SOP. X is 1, x complement is 0, x plus x complement equal to 1. Hence, the term present means the output is 1. What is the term present? 0 present. That means M0 is present. What is the next term present? 4. 4 is present. Then the next term 6 is present. 7 is present. Now we need to do simplification. That is nothing but grouping. Grouping of 3 variables. Grouping of 3 variables, maximum group is octa when all is present. That gives a reduced variable as 1. Another one is possible, that is quad. Group of 4 adjacent cell or 4 adjacent cubes. Pair group of 2 adjacent cells. 2 adjacent cells are cubes. Another one is single. Single, that means 1 cube. See here maximum you will get here. Octa reduces to output 1. Quad reduces to maximum 2 variables. Quad reduces to 1 variable. Pair reduces to 2 variable. Single gives you 3 variables. How we can do quad, pair? Either horizontally or vertically of 2 cubes. Gives you either pair. Quad gives you 4 adjacent cells with the 1, 2, 3, 4. Otherwise, either with the 4 horizontal or 4 vertical. adjacent cells gives you quad. Here in this problem, we have taken only the pair. See, these two are the adjacent cell, these two are the adjacent cell. Suppose if it is not there, here it was there, diagonally cannot be done. Diagonally cannot be done, and we should not do diagonally pairing. But according to this problem, it was there here. So I can do either a horizontally grouping and vertical grouping. So this gives you your reduced term. We'll see how it will gives you reduced term. So hope you understood here. Quad 4 adjacent cells, pair 2 adjacent cells, single individual. See here, among these two, pair 1 is nothing but M0 plus M4. How I can write the reduced variable here? X bar, opposite variables gets cancelled. Here x bar is there, x is there, this gets cancelled. What is the common for these two terms? Y bar z. That I will write here. Pair 1 is nothing but M0 and M4. M0 is x complement, y complement, z complement. M4 is x, y complement, z complement. What is the common among these two terms? X bar get cancelled. Y bar is a common, z bar is a common. Then y bar, z bar is a common. Between what operation is there? And operation is there. That is a multiplication. Then how to write the pair 2? Pair 2 is a group of M7 plus M6. What is the M7? X, Y, Z. M6, X, Y, Z complement. What are the common here? X, Y is a common, Z, Z complement. Opposite variables gets cancelled. What you got here? X into Y. Then you need to write finally reduced expression. This is a short form to write EXPN. Do you remember instruction? So like that, here expression. What is the expression? F of x, y, z is nothing but pair 1 plus pair 2. Why it is plus? Sum of product. Two products we are doing sum. What is the first product? Y complement, z complement, x into y. X into y. Okay, na? This is your first problem. Shall we move for the second problem? So we are solving only 3 variable problems on SOP. Problems on SOP. The next problem. Here we have f of xyz, any variable a, b, c or xyz. I am taking xyz because I have been written the tabular. In the classwork I have given a, b, c. You just follow that. Sigma nothing but SOP 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. So these are the terms we have. We need to simplify using KMAP. Draw the table. Table with 8 cubes. 2 rows with 4 columns. X complement x. Y complement z complement. Y complement z. YZ. YZ complement. This is M0, M1, M3, M2, M4, M5, M7, M6. What are the things present here? M0 is present. Present means 1. M1 is present. M2 is present, M5 is present, 6 is present, 7 is present. And please remember, 3 variable we got only once in the paper. That to be just draw the tabular structure for 3 variable map. So any variable you can take. So only for this one they have given for 2 marks. Maximum you will get the problems from 4 marks. So 4 variable only for the 5 marks. Just for the practice purpose of the grouping, I am doing the 3 variables map. Here maximum group is possible only pair. See here, these two are adjacent. These two are adjacent. But there is no adjacent for this side. If it is there, then I can do the quad. And I can do the quad like this also. But here, adjacent M4 is not there. M0 is adjacent to M1. M1 is adjacent to M5. M5 is adjacent to M7. M7 is adjacent to M6. But it is not a 4 adjacents. If it is 4 adjacents, then I can write the quad. Then how I can do here? Please here notice here, these two I can make one group. These two also possible. But while grouping, remember your idempotence law, repeated terms should not come. Repeated terms should not come. So M1 is already being grouped with the M0. Suppose if M7 was not there, then I can group M1 and M5. But now M7 is there, I can do the grouping with the M5 and M7. Then I can do for these two. Hope you understood. Suppose if the M7 was not there, then there is no chance. So M5 I need to group with the M1. See here, even this is also possible to do the group M7 and M6. But should not do. M2 and M1 with the overlapping group is also possible. But concentrate not only with the maximum grouping, redundant group should be avoided. If it is already been grouped with the another term, should be avoided the redundant. Here is possible, here this is also possible, this is also possible, and these two are also possible. But that 3 groups gives you redundant, hence should not do. What is a pair 1? P1 means pair 1. Pair 1 is M0 plus M1. Pair 2 is M5 plus M7. What is a pair 3? M2 plus M6. See, order is not compulsory, but the reduced format is compulsory. Among these two, X is a common. Among these two, what is a common? Y bar common, opposite it gets cancelled, hence it is X bar, Y bar. Directly I have done. See here, definitely you will get the same thing. X bar, Y bar, Z bar. I have copied M0. What is the M1? X bar, Y bar, Z. What is the common variable here? X bar, Y bar. This is for your practice. Directly I can do. Among these two, what is the common? X bar is common. Again among these two, what is the common? Y bar is common. Z bar gets cancelled. Please tell me for the P2, M7 and these two. Check among these two. What is the common? X is a common. Y bar gets cancelled. Z is a common. Are you getting? Then here among these two, X bar gets cancelled. Y is common. Z bar is common. Each term is product term, that is logically been added Hence you will get SOP, reduced expression equal to f of x, y, z equal to pair 1 plus pair 2 plus pair 3. This is your reduced expression. Reduced expression. Okay. Shall we move for the next one? Third one, f of x, y, z. I am taking x, y, z only. A, B, C I am not taking. So A, B, C also. A, B, C I have given in the class work. Sigma of 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here it's a very, very important one. First overlapping problem. Overlapping problem. Write down the terms. X complement x, y z complement, y complement z, y z, y z complement. Y z complement. If it is AB, this is AA, BC, 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 BC. That's all. M0, M1, M3, M2, M4, M5, M7, M6. What are the things present here? M0 present, M2 present, M4 present, M5 present, M6 present, M7 present. See here. Pair, pair, pair. Don't do like that. Go for quad because M4 is adjacent to M5. M5 is adjacent to M7. M7 is adjacent to M6. 1, 2, 3, 4 cells are adjacent. Then go for quad. That is M4, M5, M7, M6. 4 adjacent cells gives you quad. Then here, what I can do, instead of doing a pair with these two, I can do with, 0 or M0 is adjacent to M4, M4 is adjacent to M6. If I overlap the particular one like this, overlapping, then this is adjacent to M2, this is adjacent to M6. Then I can do the grouping of this one like this. This gives you overlapping group. Overlapping group. Andre, just we have folded the paper like this so that you will get M0, M2, M4, M6 as a quad. If you remove, then it will be like this, the quad. Then this is quad 2, this is overlapping quad. Quad 2, that is M0, M2, M4, M6. You can ask the question, ma'am, M4 is already been grouped, M6 is already been grouped, why you have been grouped again? Maximum grouping is important. Maximum group gives you more reduced variable. More reduced variable. Pair gives you 2, quad gives you single variable. Our aim is to simplify or reduce the big expression into small expression. a big expression into small expression. If I want to write all these terms with this one, my length of the expression will goes very, very long. That gets reduced with a KMAP. So, what is a quad 1 result? What is a quad 2 result? I'll explain you worksheet. So, this is not required. This is I'm just understanding for your purpose I'm writing. What is the M4? X, Y complement, Z complement. What is M5? X, Y complement, Z. What is the M7? X, Y, Z. What is the M6? X, Y, Z complement. See here. One opposite term, one normal variable. One normal variable, one opposite. This gets cancelled. Y bar, Y bar, Y, Y. What is a common? Yes, X is a common. Did you got your quad reduced to single variable? Yes, this gives you what? Only the term X. What is a quad 2? M0, M4, M2, M6. M4 and M6 is there here. Can I write here M2 and M1, M0 and M1, M0, X bar, Y bar, Z bar, M2, what is the M2? X bar, Y, Z bar. See here, what is a common now? Is it a common? No. Is it a common? No. Yes, Z bar is common. Here you will get Z bar. Please remember how to write this one. Reduced expression equal to quad 1, that is Q1 plus Q2. What is the Q1? X plus Z bar. This is your result. F of X, Y, Z equal to. Earlier, it was there a term with two variables. A term with two variables. Now, a term contains only single variable. Single variable gets multiplied with what? 1 gets added. Gets added. Internally, it will be hidden. But here, each single variable is one term. Hope you understood. Understood how to reduce also. This worksheet you just do for 1 or 2 problems, you will come to know. Then how I can write without doing this? See, this group x bar gets cancelled. Among these two, that means a second quad, what is a common? Z bar is common. Among this, all gets cancelled. What is a common we got? X we got a common. This is without doing a worksheet. Once again, a quad contains like this, right? Overlapping quad. These two. What are the thing is common? Z complement. X complement X gets cancelled. Among these terms, Y bar, Z bar, YZ cancelled. Y bar Z, YZ bar cancelled. Here we have only a single row. What is a common? X is a common. See, this work will not gives you marks. This gives you marks. A final reduced expression gives you marks. Zero, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. x complement x, y complement z complement, y complement z, y z, y z bar. m0, m1, m3, m2, m4, m5, m7, m6. Writing the terms are important. Putting the labels are important. Which are the things present? 0 is present, 2 is present, 3 is present, 4 is present, 5 is present, 6 is present, 7 is present. So as we know that in the previous we have did this overlapping. Yes, I got one quad. Quad 1 equal to m0, m4, m2, m6. This gets cancelled. Among these two, what is a common? Z bar is a common. We got Z bar. What is a quad 2? This we have done, right? Y bar, Z bar, YZ. Y bar Z, YZ bar get cancelled. For this row, what is a common? X is a common, that is M4, M5, M7, M6. What is the common we got? X is a common. Then, what is the remaining here? 3 is a remaining. What is possible with here? Pair, or a single, or a quad? Is it a single? No. Why? Because M3 is adjacent to M2. M2 is adjacent to M6. M6 is adjacent to M7. M7 is adjacent to M0. Then I can do quad. I can do quad. Did you got it? These are the things adjacent over here. So we can do which group? M3 plus M2 plus M6 plus M7. What it will gives you? That means these two. X bar gets cancelled. Among these two, what is the common? What is the common? Y is a common. Gives you Y. Okay. Suppose this one is present, then octa. Completely octa. Octa gives you output 1. So now a reduced expression equal to quad 1, quad 2, quad 3. F of x, y, z equal to quad 1, z bar, quad 2, x, quad 3, y. This gives you your complete simplified expression. I have done 4 problems here. 4 problems. So you just go through. Then we'll do in the next class 4 variable map. So the 4 variable map. So I need one craft to be done over here. So take a plain white sheet. All of you take a plain white sheet. Make it square of this one. Make it square of this one. Make it a square like this and do the 16 cubes. Keep it ready, 16 cubes. Cubes like this. Are you able to see here? And take a pen or pencil. Draw like this. 16 cubes. Outline also just draw and keep it. You have your 4 variable map with you, right? M0, M1, M3, M2, M4, M5, M7, M6, M8, M9, M11, M10, M12, M13, M15, M14. Please keep ready of this paper. I'll explain you how you are going to do different overlappings for the 4 variable map. How you can draw, how you will get the particular one, why you need to write it like this only. So please get the paper and keep it ready like this. This much of big paper with the terms written with the cubes. Then I'll explain you different overlapping techniques. Maybe in the Tuesday's class or in the Wednesday's class, but both the days this one should be ready, and please stick this one in your classwork so that whenever you want you can at least remember how we need to do the different overlappings. Okay students, practice all problems for ABC. I have done for all for XYZ. You practice for ABC so that you will get the same expression. If it is Z, C bar, A means X means A, B. That's all. If I use here ABC instead of Z, X, Y, you will get these terms. Okay, please do it that one, and please keep it ready this one to do the overlappings. Thank you students. So keep practice, listen the video once or twice. Definitely you will come to know the topic. Second year is very easy compared to your first year. So the small workout is required. For this problem, that means 4 variable KMAP is important for 5 marks. From Tuesday till the Saturday is very important to watch the video. If you miss the class, definitely you are going to lose your 5 marks. Definitely you are going to lose your 5 marks. Please ready with your 5 marks by the Saturday. Thank you students.